Hey, what up, pimps, pimpettes? Today, what I'm gonna be doing with this little remote control thing is I'm gonna be pulling up to these girls and shit, making their days a little better. Gonna be delivering little notes and shit. Like, you see that shit, pimp? You fine as hell with a little kiss on the back, you know what I'm saying? And then hopefully I get a number or some shit afterwards, or I'm gonna take that shit back. And then I got a little special guest with me, so y'all gonna see him too, you know what I'm saying? Mexican Jose. All right, let's get to the video then. Make sure to drop a like. Snapchatting that hoe, she's Snapchatting that hoe, you already know. She gonna Snapchat it. Hey, happy Valentine's Day. Hey, you know pimping ain't easy, but we do it. But yeah, hope you like it. Yeah, keep the note.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, hope you have a good rest of your Valentine's Day.
You too.
I like the bag too. Is that real? The Louis Vuitton bag? Yeah, ain't nobody gonna know, you know what I'm saying? I got that fake Gucci shit all day. Nobody know that shit, but yeah. What's your name again?
Madison.
Oh, nice to meet you. Brian.
Brian, nice to meet
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But hope you have a good rest of your Valentine's Day. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you got a boyfriend or something.
I do.
All right, let me get this shit back. Fuck that, man. Shit good. Hey, you like my little present?
That's you.
Yeah, that was me. Who the hell else you think that would be? Shit. You know what I'm saying? Pimps gotta do it big on Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Yeah, what's your name?
Janae.
Brian. Shit, nice to meet you. Hope you have a good Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah. What you got going on later?
I'm about to go out.
Shit, that's it? You don't wanna go on a little Valentine's Day dinner?
I'm going to Dallas.
Oh shit, me too.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm going to do this with my family.
Oh shit, for Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Man, they tripping. Well, shit, when you free? We gotta make something happen.
Just text me.
All right, let me get your number then.
214.
Hold on. Let me get that 214. Hold on, 22. Okay, you put it in there, cause you know what I'm saying. I'm stupid. Yeah. God damn. Hell yeah, all right, I'll text you. And then you'll spell your name, Janae. Janae. Oh, you didn't put the last digit in there.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Nah.
Hell nah, shit, you know. You know what I'm saying? All right, but yeah, I appreciate it. I hope you enjoy that.
Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. You fine as hell. Shit. Hold on. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Yes, sir.
Hey, I just want to wish you a happy Valentine's Day.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all,
thank you,
pimp.
man.
Yeah, for sure,
Okay,
sure.
appreciate that.
Yeah,
Thank you.
for sure, man.
But it did say UNC something, so it wasn't.
Hey, you like my present
Yeah.
for Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a Valentine?
Yeah, I have a boyfriend.
All right, then let me get that shit back. Hold on. Hey, wait. What's your name?
Riley?
Hey, hold on real quick. I had something for you for Valentine's Day. Yeah, I had a little Valentine's Day present for your ass. Yeah, damn. You been working out? God damn. You already know you got ass. But yeah, I got you this for Valentine's
Did
Day.
you actually?
Yeah, I just want to make your day better.
That's so cute.
Yeah, my name Brian, by the way. I'm white though.
It's okay, me too.
Oh, for real?
I like this thing too. That's
Oh yeah, I was gonna mess with some dudes with that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's funny.
A lot of ugly dudes on this campus, you feel me? But for the girls, you know what I'm saying, I'm nice. Damn, bust.
It's very nice.
But yeah, you got like a Snapchat or some shit?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Shoot. Damn, Snapchat up in this. Yeah, put your Snapchat. I got you. I'll hold that for you, girl.
Thank you.
So let me see that.
Oh my god, I can't spell my own last name.
It's all good.
There we go.
Cool. Oh, there we go. That's beautiful.
That's me.
All right, cool. Yeah, what you got going on tonight?
Don't know yet. Maybe
Oh.
go to Fry Street.
Oh, where's that?
It's like right up there.
Yeah.
It's like where
Okay.
the bars are and stuff.
Okay, cool. Well, yeah. Shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get back to what I'm doing, but you smoke?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, I could tell. You just got that look like you smoke, not cigarettes, but the gas. What you
Yeah.
smoking? What you be smoking? Like what kind of trees you be smoking? That Granddaddy Purple, that Indica,
Everything,
that Indica?
whatever my dealer supplies me.
Oh, yeah, I go to the dispensary. Yeah, I live out in Bay Area.
Oh,
Bay Area, white boy though.
I can't wait to leave and go.
Yeah, you gotta go out to the Bay Area. They got the best hyphy shit, you know what I'm saying? That shit'll get you,
I can't.
you be saying, oh boy, you be staring at the ceiling.
It's like,
One time I was on the phone talking to this, you know what I'm saying? When I get high, I be talking to any girl.
Yeah,
Like I be talking to this ugly ass girl.
you fell asleep on her?
I fell asleep on that bitch. I mean, I don't really care cause she ugly. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna but I put the work into you, you know what I'm saying? You fine as hell. I'll talk to you every day, every minute,
Oh
every
my
second.
God.
I'll answer every
Oh
call.
my
I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, pimpin'? All right.
Bye, nice to meet
Oh
you.
my God, you so fine. You like it?
You like one surprise?
Oh, that was you?
Sí, that was me. Hola, ¿cómo está?
Muy bien, ¿y usted?
Good, good, yeah. Well, I was saying this because you wanna be my margarita? See?
Sorry.
Okay, well, you see that?
Yeah.
Look, you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, give me back. No good. Thank you. Sí, look. Hola, ¿cómo está? Hola, ¿cómo está?
Hi.
Very good. I gave you one note as well. You think you can read it?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Sí, read.
You look like a fresh taco.
I love. Sí, give me one hug for you.
Oh, thank
That's for
you.
you. I love you. You. He have it one day.
Yeah.
See? That's good, cause if not, I could have been one. See? See? All right, you have a one nice day. See? I love you. Oh, it's me. Hola, ¿cómo está? You look at one beautiful girl. Sí. What's your name?
Nikki.
Nikki. Well, good. It's for you. It's happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Okay. So can you read that?
That's so sweet.
What did it say?
It says you're so beautiful.
And then in the bottom,
It looks like Spanish.
mi amor. Sí. My love. Sí. Okay. You have a good night. Good day. Sí. Hola. Sí. Oh my goodness. You look like the sunset. Sí. I was just watching the sun right now and you just look like it. Very bright and beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Sí. I want to give you something. Sí. You like tacos?
I do love them.
Okay, well I love that. I love it too. But I'm gonna give you this
Thank
for
you.
Valentine's.
Can I put you on my Snapchat?
Sí. All right.
Yeah.
See, I give her because she looks like one sunset. See, well, I love you.
Thank you.
See,
Have a nice
you too. Hola, ¿cómo está? Hola. Sí, do you know where's what's that called? The classroom? C7?
C7?
Sí.
Do you know what building?
Look,
Do you know which building?
I love you.
Oh,
Sí,
that's it?
sí, I love you.
Gracias.
Sí. Can I get your number?
Yeah, do you have
Sí,
your phone?
sí, I have it right here. I really think you're really pretty. See,
Thank you.
see, I just got my USA citizen, and I want to talk English, whatever.
Yeah.
See, and I just want to make new friends, and maybe you can be my girl. Maybe, see.
Me llamo Crystal.
Crystal? Okay, it's good. And happy Valentine's.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, take care. I love you.
I'm just kidding. We're just filming a funny video. Yeah, like giving girls stuff for Valentine's Day, but now you can keep it.
Is that?
Yeah, right there, yeah. All right, I hope you have a good rest of your day.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, it's just we're just giving chocolates for Valentine's for girls.
sweet.
Yeah. All right. Have a good day. And we're just doing a prank. Camera.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's just a prank. Yeah. We're not, I don't talk like that or I don't dress like this.
Yeah, that was amazing. Execution was great.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's though.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Video. I'm just fucking around. Yeah, we're just filming a funny video. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks. Thank you.